Morning guys, just wanted to point out something real quick. I haven't pointed out to you how to engage the vacuum and or the blower. So this machine can suck and or blow. I've just got the boom here to the side and the rear gate valve is shut. I'll just go ahead and shut that. So that's the 4-inch drain or intake valve at the rear. We're just gone ahead and shut that so we can create suction properly. What I've gone ahead and done, we've just got the vacuum started in neutral position here. So all we're doing is we're just going to pull this key out to the side and we're going to raise it to the vacuum position and then lock that in. Now that sits in that little keyway. I have suction here at low revs, just to be very very important to notice that we're only on low revs here. So if I go ahead and turn that up to high revs, I'll get more suction out of it. We're just product testing here, ready for your delivery. But basically that's your vacuum feature. So now, right now, I can feel there's air going in here. The next step is just to check our pressure or flow feature, the reverse flow function. So we just pull this pin out. Again, it's got a little keyway, so you can pull it out, turn it to the side a little bit, go back to neutral. Again, nothing here. If we go through to the pressure side, it's now starting to blow. I can already hear it generating. May not be able to see, but that's blowing, that's cold air. So that's really good if you've got a blockage. Now, if you want to use the gate valve, so where are we? Just here. Hopefully you can see it. You can close this. So I'm just gonna go to vacuum. Okay, so at vacuum here, we're trying to extract mud. Mud's coming out of the ground. What I can do is I can build up pressure. So I can engage this gate valve function. It's about a 3 to 5 second press. I've just pressed that. You'll hear the machine start to load up, but there's no suction here right now. A good indicator is your vacuum gauge will start to build pressure. You'll hear your uncle valve or knuckle valve, they call it, start to whistle a bit. That's it going down now. It's building pressure, building pressure. Because we're on low revs, that takes a little longer to get there. And we're pretty much there. There we go. I don't know if you can hear it at the rear, but I can. I haven't touched anything, I'm just listening to it. Okay, there's no pressure here. I'm gonna go ahead and release that. So I'll press that same button again. As you can see, that's gonna intake a larger amount of air, volume, and CFM, so CFM and pressure. Very important feature to keep an eye out on. You wanna be very safe when using that. Now, if you wanted to use the rear valve, the rear intake valve, all you do is open that 4-inch intake at the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna open it, give me a second, you'll hear it. Okay, I've now got suction at both ports, but it's very, very little suction, right? So what I'm gonna do here is, if I don't wanna use this and I wanna use the hoses only, I can go ahead and close that gate valve. I have no airflow through here now, none. And at the rear, I'll have all my airflow. So I don't know if you can hear that, but that's the airflow at the rear. So just coming back into view, being mindful that you've got suction on the rear as well. So right now there's nothing on there. If I go ahead and close that valve, reopen this, my airflow is re-diverted back to my boom here. So again, just a couple of features here. So up, down, left, right, just like normal. I've got to explain my other videos. Boom's retracted, I can extend it. Okay, left, right. That's the remote, and then that's the vacuum function of the knuckle valve ready to go for you. Thank you.